Hey everyone, Delmar Wood here. If you've been thinking about buying a home but feel it's impossible, you might be believing some common myths. But today I'm going to break down the 5 myths that often stop people from becoming homeowners. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Myth number one, you need 20% down to buy a home. This is a big misconception. In reality, you can buy a home with as little as 3 to 5% down with a conventional loan. FHA loan is 3.5%. And if you're a veteran like myself, you really can get a home for 0% down. So please take advantage of that great benefit. You served our country. The least you can do is obtain home ownership and get into your own home that you could purchase. I've recently even helped clients buy a home for as little as 17,000 down. So in reality, you don't need the 20% that you think you do. Myth number two, interest rates. They're too high. Yes, I hear that, but this is not 2020 or 2021, and rates are currently where they are. And the truth is, homes are continuing to rise, and if you're not buying a home, then whether rates go up or down or not, you still don't have a home. So if you can buy a home that you actually truly love and rates drop at a later date, then you can refinance and obtain that lower interest rate. But don't just not buy a home only because of interest rates. Please speak to a professional, and I'm willing to talk you through it. Myth number three, you need a perfect credit to buy a home. Many believe a 750 credit score is necessary, and honestly, yes, it does give you a little bit better of a rate, but that's just not true. You can have a 580 for FHA loan, 620 for a conventional loan, and if your credit isn't where it needs to be, still talk to someone. I can connect you with my mortgage lender, and he can give you a 6 month, 3 month plan to improve your credit, and then you can still obtain home ownership. Don't let that stop you just because of your credit. But you do need to fix it, but there's always a way to get that done. Myth number four, the market is going to crash and I should wait. This is a myth I hear every year. The market is not crashing, it is normalizing, it's stabilizing. We don't want the same craziness that happened in 2021 where there's so much demand out there. But now the supply is less because the inventory is lower. So that means there's still a competitive market out here and people are still buying homes. So if you can afford it now, it's better to start building equity sooner rather than not doing it at all. Myth number five, I can compete with cash buyers. I can't compete with cash buyers. Let me be clear. That is very true. Even here in the Sacramento metro market, you have people that's come from San Francisco that's selling their homes with loads of cash and they could purchase homes. But don't let that deteriorate you or just detour you. Sorry. Don't let that detour you from saying, man, I can't buy a home because there's so many cash buyers. That's just not true. There are people that love to sell their home to other homeowners that's going to move into the home and first time homeowners, knowing that they got all these incentives and they got the right plan. And if you come into a home that you really want to purchase, it can be yours. Don't let just thinking cash buyers out.